Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2019 IPSY GLAM bag unbagging. I am very impressed with how quickly I got my glam bags this month because I already got my Glam Bag Plus and my Glam Bag Ultimate, which I am so excited about, so happy with what I got in those boxes. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of those, I will have those videos linked down below. But I want to give you a little update because in my Glam Bag Plus box, my serum or oil came spilled out. So I did take a picture of that and I sent it to IPSY and they responded back right away that they were sending me a replacement, which IPSY just has such great customer service. I've had one other instance where I got a broken product and they sent me a replacement for that as well. So if you get that serum and it's open, I did hear from a lot of people that they got open, spilled out serums. Reach out to IPSY because they will replace it. But so what I have here is my regular glam bag, which is a $12 a month subscription, although I did lock mine in at $10 a month for paying for the entire year. I think it was back in September. So this I did pay $10 for, but I paid ahead of time. But if you were to sign up now, it would be $12. But so this is a monthly customizable beauty subscription bag, and it's customized based off of a very detailed survey that you fill out and the feedback that you give IPSY based off of your reviews on the products that you get. And I've been getting IPSY since January of this year, and I'm not stopping anytime soon. I have been loving it. I've never gotten repeat products within IPSY. I think that they have a very good idea of what I like because of all the customization that I do. I always make sure to go onto the app and review the products, and that also earns me points, which you can redeem for free products. Also, if you refer people, anyone that has IPSY gets a referral link, you gain points that way. So I always put in my description down below my referral link if you want to sign up for IPSY. And then the last information I want to give you is that I've started doing full face makeup tutorials every month using all of the IPSY products that I get within my IPSY Glam Bag, my Glam Bag Plus, and my Glam Bag Ultimate. And it's been so much fun. I've been loving doing those videos. So then you can see how the products look together and I can share my thoughts on how I've been liking them throughout the month. And if you're not aware, I do a new makeup product review every day on my channel. It goes up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll be reviewing all of the products that I get in IPSY in full dedicated review videos. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. But so let me pull out this bag. Okay, so all of the bags this month were in this same material. It's pretty, it's like a festive holiday silver. And then, okay, they all have actually different color interior. So this one is a green interior. I got a blue interior on my Glam Bag Plus, and then a purple interior on the Glam Bag Ultimate. So that's a cute little touch. And then in every IPSY bag, you get a card. So it talks about the theme of the month, which is Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine, which I love. Wait. This doesn't have my product information on it. It just has hairstyle recommendations. My cards always have detailed information on the products. Is that a mistake? Or is this what everyone's getting? I want my product information. This is so strange. It's telling me how to wear hair accessories, but what is going on? Okay, let me know in the comments down below if you got a card with your product information on it. Like, am I missing it? No. I didn't get any other card. So weird. Okay, I'll just pull out some products. So first up, we've got the Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Bronzer. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I just actually got as a bonus gift for signing up for BoxyCharm, I got the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. And I'm actually planning to give that to my sister for Christmas because I think she'll really like it. But now I get to keep basically one of the products for myself. So this is the waterproof bronzer in the shade Park Ave Princess, I guess. And I love Tarte, so this is really exciting for me. I'll do a little swatch. But if you want to see my review on that full Park Ave Princess palette, where you basically get to see like this product in action with the other products in the palette, I will have that linked down below. But here's what it looks like. Such a beautiful bronzer. It has some nice shimmer to it. And I think this is a really good shade for my fair skin tone. Okay, and then I also got, oh, okay, good thing they wrapped this in some bubble wrap. This is the Fluid nail polish, which actually got from this brand a liquid lipstick in my Glam Bag Ultimate box, I think. And I had never heard of this brand before, but that's cool. I got 2 products from this brand this month. This is in this shade Strut, and it's this like shimmery navy blue shade. Like I've said before, I don't really want nail polishes from IPSY because I don't paint my nails, but this time of year, it's the gifting season, so I'll be just gifting this to someone because it's a really pretty color and I'm sure that people would really like it. And next I'll pull out Juliet Has a Gun perfume. Oh, and then it says, not a perfume. It will not resemble anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cedalox, it has no stop or heart notes. So while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance. That makes me nervous, but I'm gonna try this out. This is actually a pretty decent size. Let's just spray a little bit here. Well, my first impression of it is that it smells like a fancy, like, department store perfume. I love it though. I think it smells really nice. It smells very expensive. And maybe this is something that smells different on everyone based on your body composition, but to me this smells like very florally, and I love it. And maybe it's just in my mind, but I do feel like every time I smell it, it does smell a little bit different. But I still think it smells fantastic. Yeah, so I'm definitely getting a very floral scent. It really does seem like it's changing though every time I smell it. So if you got this in your bag, let me know what you think it smells like. Let me know if you think it smells good. I think it smells fantastic. I'm so excited to wear this. This is a brand that I've never heard of before, but if I get good reactions from people of how I smell with this on, this is definitely something that I would want to purchase. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, next up, I got, oh, this is the product that I chose. This is the Professional Pearl Primer. So I'm definitely familiar with the original like pore filler primer here. It's from the brand Benefit, but I haven't tried out the pearl version, and I love like a shimmery radiance to my skin. And this says it's a soft radiance face primer to minimize the look of pores, which I definitely need some pore minimizing. So I'm really excited to try this out. And then the last product I'm gonna pull out here. This is from the brand Hey Honey. It's the Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask Leave-On Absorbing Treatment. I got a mask before from the brand Hey Honey, but oh, I'm all about treating those under eyes. Ooh, designed to provide intense hydration and brightening benefits to tired and stressed under eye area while smoothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. But you know what's a bummer is that this doesn't say on it how to use it, but the cards usually tell me how to use it. It says leave on absorbing treatment, so I'm just gonna assume that I have to leave it on. Maybe I can look it up online and find how you actually use it. But it's paraben free, cruelty free. I'm really happy with the products that I got in this bag. Really loving that perfume. It's very strong. Like, I just did one spray and I feel like it's very potent. And I love that. I keep smelling it and I'm so excited to wear this out. But so I'll do my quick recap of what I got. I got the Hey Honey eye mask, the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume, the Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer, the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer, and the nail polish in shade Strut from Fluid. So I'm really excited to try out these products, except for the nail polish. I'm going to be gifting that. But let me know in the comments down below what you got in your December 2019 glam bag, because I love hearing what people got, comparing products to each other. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.